Number 10, food, music, and dance. Perfect. Number 9, more like a dance battle. Number 8, dancing around the trophy. What a flex. Number 7, this dance is so addictive. Help. Number 6, dancing with the medal around the neck. Wow! Number 5, the dance vibes are amazing. Number 4, the drink throwing celebration was wild. Number 3, jumping in the circle looks so fun. Number 2, the swag dance was full of confidence. And number 1, the singing made the victory unforgettable.